If you guys are looking to get a little bit more oomph out of your two-stroke, kind of jazz it up, maybe compete with the four-strokes a little better, I could say. I'm here with Jake over at the Pro Circuit shop. My cylinder and head just got some work done by the engine department, and Jake's gonna walk us through and tell us what they did.
So we ported this cylinder. We cleaned up down in here for more airflow to get pulled in. And then we cleaned up these ports and then made them a little bit bigger than stock, just to allow more airflow and combustion. Of course, we opened up the exhaust ports.
Oh yeah, you can see where, right here, where it was.
And we do
a
that because like all of your exhaust is where your power's at.
Mm-hmm.
So the more flow, the more power it brings out. And then we really, like with most of our heads and cylinders that we do, we try to gain more power bottom, mid, and top. So it's smooth power all the way through.
Can we, if guys are looking for more bottom or more top or more mid, can you guys port to those type of settings if you're a faster rider? Like vet rider like me, I'm loving what you guys are doing to this. So I can actually ride the thing when I go ride it. But can you guys do any of that type of work?
Yeah.
More specified?
So typically we do one setting, but we can always talk to the porting guy and adjust it a little bit and see where we're at with it. I know there's a few different specs that we have for a few different bikes, but mainly we do just one.
Now, when I throw the bike back together, am I going to have to change the jetting on it a little bit, or for the increased airflow and power output?
You may have to play with the jetting a little bit. It just really depends on once you get it running and see where it's at, based off of like the feel and how it's running and everything. But typically the jetting, we have it on our website so you can kind of get a base.
Sounds like I'm going to start there then. All right. Now the head, that is looking way cleaner than when I first gave it to you, even after vapor blasting. So I told you guys I was going to run C12 straight in it.
Yeah.
So what'd you guys do to that?
For the C12, we cut it differently than we do for pump gas or MRX02. And this one's one of our more higher compression head cuts. It brings the compression up a little bit, but it also accommodates for that fuel. That's why it's cut so high and aggressive. But it just makes that compression up, and then it matches with the porting. So it'll make that power band all the way through, make it there.
And then, I mean, this doesn't really take away from any of the reliability of the engine, does it at all?
No, it doesn't take away from any reliability at all from the engine. It just makes it run smoother, and then of course it just brings that compression up.
Cool. And then what part of the head did you actually cut? Was it just the inside here, or?
Yeah, so we really cut right in here and up in here a little bit, and it just makes it match the piston and just bring it up just that much.
Cool. All right, that's gonna be a wrap. So if you guys are looking to get a little more oomph out of your two-stroke, like I said, this is my first time ever doing it, so I'm pretty excited to get the bike back together. And Jake, if anybody has any questions.
So we do 50s to all of the 500s. So we've got something there for all of you guys.
And they can call Pro Circuit and talk to you?
Yep, you guys can call Pro Circuit and ask for me or Snikey or whoever, and we're all here to help you guys out.
Cool. And that is Justin Barsh's old mechanic,
yes,
too.
So so he's got a lot of experience.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Jake, for your time, and excited to get the bike back together. It's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. As always, ride hard, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.